Welcome to Friday's market wrap up here at Wealth Creation Investing. Matthew Buckley, the Chief Investment Strategist here at WCI. And wow, another huge swing and a miss with the jobs report. 113,000 jobs. We were looking for a buck 85, and we didn't even come close. Now the unemployment rate went down from 6.7 to 6.6%, which really isn't necessarily good news because, as we know, most likely that drop in the unemployment rate is because of people leaving the workforce. We have the highest number of people out of the workforce in over 3 decades. So, all the 500-pound heads are going to blame the weather and storms and everything like that, and they're going to really hide the truth, which is that this economy sucks. We are really in the midst of a jobless recovery, and that's the truth to it. Some other economic data that came out today: average hourly earnings came in essentially flat. And here's what's funny is non-farm payroll for December was revised up by $1,000 to 75,000, and it was I half chuckle at this because when we saw this print last time, a lot of people were like, "Oh, that'll be revised up. That'll be revised up." That's got to be a misprint. That's an error. Well, they did revise it up by about $1,000. So, folks, it's not good out there, and it's and it's not getting any better. I mean, look at the forecast from a lot of the banks. J.P. Morgan was looking for a print at 205. Goldman Sachs was 200. UBS 200. Look at this. The lowest was HSBC at 171,000, and none of them were close. So obviously the futures are pulling back. We're going to see a pullback in the market today. Triple digit up on Monday, or triple digit down on Monday. Triple digit up yesterday. Now we're probably going to see a triple digit down. Got a couple weekly options trades that are going right down the fairway here for a potential $12,000 profit for the week on about I think it was 5 trades. So really looking happy with that. Other news: Apple with the share implosion after earnings. Cook came out and released or announced that over the past couple weeks, since the stock had pulled back, that they've been buying up shares at this quote lower price. Well, stock is popping a little on that news. I think it's going to fade into the close because it's not necessarily the best news that Apple's buying back its stock. That's what they're doing with their money, buying back their own stock. Hey, why don't you put it in R&D and build something cool like you used to build? But we'll buy back our own shares. Maybe Carl Icahn will be happy. All right, I got to run because it's going to be a very interesting day trading, and also I'm up here in Jacksonville, Florida, where it's cold, overcast, and rainy, and I'm giving a keynote today to one call. So gotta get moving and keep an eye on the market as well. Make sure you keep an eye on your email box, because guess what? Options Weapons School is getting airborne. What's Options Weapons School? Take a look at your email inbox, click on the links, start checking out what Options Weapons School is. You've asked for it, we delivered. Happy hunting, make sure you hedge, and I'll be back with Monday's market outlook. Have a great weekend. We'll see you.